Hello, good morning and welcome. It's the 30th of May, last day of May tomorrow, and we'll start as always with the AUD USD. And we shorted a little bit overnight, but it's come back. I'm expecting this to pop back up. It looks like it's bottomed out. The stochastic has started turning round, fairly flat on the RSI. So I'm expecting this to actually just surprise everybody and just shoot back up. If it gets up to the 75 mark, I'll be going short on it. Euro, we've had quite a big short today on the Euro USD. In fact, the Euro across the board, notably the Euro JPY. We've had a bit of strength in the Japanese yen overnight. So those are following through nicely. Obviously the RSI is coming down. My fast stochastic has reached the floor already. We're expecting it to close this gap. That's about 400 pips. So we'll see how we go with that. Same story. This is struggling a little bit with the yen. This is the Euro Japanese yen. This is struggling a little bit at the moment. We're coming down onto support. It's bounced about a little bit the last hour or so. I think it might follow through. We'll just see, but been waiting a while for this. Same again, the Euro New Zealand dollar. The commitment of traders report was 2-to-1 long the New Zealand dollar, and obviously very bearish of the euro. Pound USD, we're still at support on this. I know some people have gone long on it. I think it's going to go down a little bit more, and can't help the way I feel. We got nearly 9,000 extra short positions added this week. And I would just like to have a look at this chart, which is the pound New Zealand dollar. Now, where it is at the moment, it's at 181.50 approximately. And it is on a little bit of support, but the major support for this, I feel, is 179.50. When you come to these turning points here and here, and no, maybe, but this is the daily chart. Look at it on the weekly chart and the monthly chart. I'm expecting a little bit more downside on this, and we'll see how it goes, but it is one chart. It is quite interesting. It's had this massive fall. The commitment of traders are short the pound and long the New Zealand dollar. So I'm expecting a little more of a follow through. Move on, the USD JPY. Again, we have shorted a little bit on this, strength in the Japanese yen. There's also been a bit of strength in the dollar. Just go back. There we go. This is the weekly of the DXY. So that's the dollar against about 20 European and what have you funds. And we've had 2 weeks now where we've had a green candle. So looking up on the RSI, looking up on the stochastic, it's due a bounce. So we'll see where that goes. Euro CAD. We were short this. We're out. Got knocked out. This looks like it's going to have a really nice fall down. It's one that I'm not in at the moment, but I have got quite a lot of euro on. But this also looks like a good sell. It's just gone below the 20-day moving average. Obviously shorting on the RSI. So we'll see how that goes. USD Mexican peso. I actually have a green candle again, so ever hopeful. It's dragging on a little bit. USD CAD, again, a little bit of strength in the dollar. This is coming back up. Um, I've got knocked out of one of my trades at the bottom. I did bottom out at nearly 134. We'll see how that goes. Silver, I am back short on silver. It didn't quite reach my blue line, but we have crossed the trend line here. So anyway, I'm back in. It's only a very small position. I'm half expecting a little bit more upside, but if the dollar goes up, silver will come down. Oil, I've taken the trade on this too, about its entry. The OPEC meeting is coming up. This is only a small trade, by the way. I did go up and hit my blue line here. We came back down. It's bounced back up. So I've got back in. I got out at the blue line there, got back in. I've only put a third of my trade back in. If it bounces up a little bit more, I will put the extra back in. Just leaves me to say thank you all for watching, and I appreciate all the likes and the subscribes. Thank you very much, and hopefully see you again tomorrow. Cheers. Bye now.